In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable progress invoicing in QuickBooks Online. Progress invoicing is an invaluable feature when you need to create multiple partial invoices from a single estimate. This can be particularly useful for businesses that handle long-term projects, allowing you to bill customers incrementally as work is completed. First, ensure you're logged into your QuickBooks Online account. If you're not already familiar with the login page, you can easily find it by navigating to QuickBooks Online in your web browser. Once there, enter your credentials to gain access to your dashboard. After logging in, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen, where you'll find the Settings option, often represented as a gear icon. Clicking this icon takes you into a deeper level of configuration, allowing you to tailor various aspects of your QuickBooks experience to fit your business needs. Next, from the drop-down menu that appears, select Account and Settings. This is where you'll manage the finer details of your account. Once inside, look for the Sales tab located on the navigation menu to the left. Clicking on this tab will bring you to a section dedicated to sales-related settings. In the sales settings, you'll find the Progress Invoicing section. To enable Progress Invoicing, you'll need to turn on the option for creating multiple partial invoices from a single estimate. This might make tangible a more flexible billing structure by letting you charge at different stages as you deliver portions of a project. Upon activating this feature, a pop-up window will appear prompting you to confirm the changes. Simply click on Update in the dialog box. This action validates your choice, and the setting will adjust accordingly. Be sure to click Save following any changes you've made. This step is critical because it ensures that the new settings are stored and ready for future invoices. The Save option is your safeguard that captures all modifications, preventing the need to repeat previous steps. Finally, once you're satisfied with your settings and you've saved them, click Done at the bottom right corner of your screen. This confirms that you've completed the setup process and brings you back to your main dashboard. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully configured QuickBooks Online to allow for progress invoicing. Now you can efficiently manage and track billing for ongoing projects directly through the platform, which will simplify your financial operations and provide better management of your cash flow. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any other questions about using QuickBooks or any of its features, feel free to reach out or look for more videos on the topic.